Welcome, I am Rajendra Saloke. This is a short game, a 24 move game played in Karokan Advance. Now why I am showing this game is this is played a little differently than the conventional one. It's played with c5, and nowadays it seems people say that c5 move is more popular. So e4, c6, d4, d5, e5. This is Karokan Advance, and normally 99% people play bishop to f5. That is what I have been telling so far. But this game c5 is played. This is almost like a gambit because this pawn doesn't have any support. So he plays d cross c5. Now you can very easily capture this pawn actually, because you can move the queen to a5 and give check to the king, and then you put the bishop in between, and then you can capture this pawn with the queen. So but according to the principle of opening, you don't take out the queen earlier. So this player thought of following the principle, and he played knight c6 blocking the pawn. Now white played bishop to b5 and pinning the knight to king. Absolute pin is there. So he plays e6, makes a good pawn structure here. Karokan, you get a very good pawn structure. Bishop to e3 and supports the pawn. Knight e7. Now actually the knight e7 because he wants to take the knight to f7, and it's a very good position for knight at f7. Now seen in some books they recommend that knight to even h6 is a good move. Don't know, we feel fearful for playing knight to h6 because the bishop will capture this. You have to capture with pawn and your castle will be disturbed. But they say that this is, I think I will try to find some games with that and upload games played with knight h6. Now he plays c3, bishop to d7. Bishop to d7. Now pin is removed, so you can move the knight if you want. And knight cross, probably e5 is possible, and is there is a X-ray attack on this bishop also from this bishop. Bishop cross c6. Now we can capture the bishop either with pawn or bishop or knight, but he thinks of capturing knight cross c6 because again he wants his queen to have a great mobility. Queen can move on this diagonal and on this diagonal here, both the diagonals, by removing the knight. So brings bishop to d4, knight cross d4, c cross d4, b6, c cross b6. Now queen cross b6. Now in Karokan it normally happens that queen will have an attack on b2. It's called poison pawn, and it's a very common move in Karokan to bring the queen to b6. Now this b2 is attacked, so he takes it to b3, bishop to b4 check, bring the king to f1. Now actually I try to find out why he has moved the king to f1. So long chain of moves is there, and I didn't get a short and precise answer for that. but the computer said it is a good move. Anyway, so he plays rook to c8, actually bishop to b5 and check would have been better. Always think of giving check to the king, and it should be a safe check. So plays rook to c8, okay. Plays f4. Now instead of f4, this in this position g3 would have been better, because the king will have a escape square to g2. If need be, the king can escape to g2 by moving this pawn. But he played f4, black castles, knight f3, f6, a3. Now he played a3 and threatened the bishop, but this would have been better. g3 is always better, as I told you, for the escape of the king. So by playing g3, no, he plays a3. Okay, so bishop is threatened, so he moves the bishop to c3. That looks very obvious, but the computer says this move is better. F cross e3. Now what will happen with f cross f cross e5, f cross e5, a cross b4, e4, and queen has to take to d2, and e cross f3, g cross f3. Actually the position only difference of pawn is there. So bishop to c3 was played. Next is rook he takes to a2. Rook takes to a2, but capture of this bishop would have been better by knight. So you connect the queen and rook. He is disconnecting the rook. In fact, presently it is disconnected, he is disconnecting more. So rook to a2 was played, f cross e5, f cross e5, rook to f4. In fact, this bishop to b5 was better, giving a check to the king. Rook to f4, knight cross c3, rook cross c3, queen to d2. Now he played queen to d2, so he has moved the queen from the last rank. Instead he should have played rook to d2. That would have been better. Queen cross b3, queen cross b3, rook to b2. Now again he played rook to b2, threatening the queen here, but instead queen cross this rook f4 would have been better. But I think he felt slightly afraid of making such a move, that he thought probably some attack will be there. His queen is there, rook is there, another this rook is there. So with the fear of that, probably he played this knight, but queen cross rook would have been better. Because let's see, queen cross f4, queen cross a2, h3, queen a1, and knight to e1. That would have been the move, and the material is same. So here he played rook to b2, bishop to b5, bishop to b5 check he played. Instead he could have taken this knight by rook, and those moves will be rook cross c3. So that actually You try to find out, it leads to a mate. That is a greater threat than what he played. So rook to b2 was there. He played bishop to b5 and check. So king goes to f2. King goes to f2. Then he plays rook cross c3, g cross f3, queen cross f3 check, king to g1 and queen to f1 and checkmate. So this way the checkmate has taken place. Now we go back to this move, bishop to b5, and here he played king to f2. So think what should have been the best move for the white, how he could have avoided the checkmate. So here actually if we would have played king to g1, then the mate would have been avoided. Because threat from the bishop is gone. He has to save his queen also here. So a lot of things, so checkmate could have been avoided. So this was a short game. Basically why I picked up this, means I searched from the big database this game for you, and because c5 is played, which is not a normal move. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.